Hey guys, Ron Bond, Bondo Build Construction here. Out in the shop today, I'm going to show you guys how to make some really cool pull handles for your shop cabinets out of these Harbor Freight wrenches. We're going to take this wrench and turn it into a handle for my shop cabinets that I built. If that sounds cool, stay with us. Thanks. Today I'm going to show you guys how to turn this cheap Harbor Freight wrench into this cool cabinet pull for your shop cabinets. Stay with us. Okay guys, so here's what I'm thinking. Took these Harbor Freight wrenches and just kind of put them on this cabinet, mocking it up how I think I want to do these handles. So that's what I'm thinking. There's different size wrenches here, because I bought them in sets. So we're gonna have to have, they're not gonna all be the same size. When we do the upper cabinets, I'll use some of the smaller wrenches. But these are the wrenches that we got. This is the pack, Harbor Freight. Little pack that's packs open, obviously. I bought 3 of these packs of wrenches. I think they were like 10 bucks a pack. So I looked around for the cheapest wrenches I could find, and Harbor Freight definitely had the cheapest ones. So what I'm thinking, I got these cement anchors, and I'm thinking about just taking them apart, and cutting them a little bit. Cut the end off them like that. Take that little end off of there. Put a couple of nuts on there like that. And that would be my standoff for the wrenches. So I'm going to get over to the drill press and drill some holes in the wrenches and hook these on there. Get those on there, and that'll be my handles. Shouldn't be too hard. So it turns out these wrenches are pretty hard, so I slowed down the drill press. Now we're going to try to put a little bit of WD-40 on there. Yeah, that's working much better. Much better. We got the drill press going as slow as it'll go. It was going way too fast. It just smoked like the first bit really quick. Oh, that wasn't bad at all. That's doable. Not bad at all right there. So now there's a little round thing on there, little humped up area, so I ground that off, and that's going to fit in there like that. And we're going to weld that on there. We're going to weld right around that and grind that right off. That's pretty much what we're looking for right there. These little cement anchors have a little lip on them, which is nice because that lip bottoms out in there and kind of holds it right where you want it. I was thinking you could use bolts, but these actually I think are going to work really good. These are just something I had laying around, so I'm going to use them up, but they're pretty nice with that little shoulder right there. It's going to work out pretty good. So I'm going to stick that right in there. I'm going to leave these long while I weld it, just so I can get a good bead around there, and then I'll just grind it flat. And I think I'm going to paint these wrenches black, but that's what we're looking at. These holes are 4 inches apart. Slide that in, weld that on. That gives us our standoff. That's what we're looking for. Tell you what, guys, all this welding's got me thirsty. Look at that. Whew! Damn! That's cold. That bad boy come right out of the freezer. Woo! I think I got a welding glove on. Gotta get back to work. Damn, that's good. So I kind of think I'm going to go back and grind all these welds down so they look more like this one. This one a little nicer. I actually ground most of the weld right back off. I turned the heat way up on the welder so it'll really melt down in there good. I ain't really crazy about the look of that weld there, so I'm just going to go ahead and clean them right up so there are almost no welds showing. I'm going to paint these anyway, so I just don't like that little bump, so I'm going to look at my little jig over here. Basically just a piece of flat stock, some holes drilled in it. I just bolt this wrench right to it. Worked out pretty good. I just screwed it to the table. Something to hold it there. Now I'm going to go through and, like I said, I'm going to go through and grind all these down. They look a little nicer. If I tighten this up tight with a wrench, it doesn't move. I don't know why I didn't do that. So here they are. Got them all done. All the pieces welded on there. All the bolts. Got eight handles made. I'm just gonna paint them all black. I'm gonna have to sand them down a little bit, maybe with some steel wool, and I want to paint them black so they show up. They look a lot better. I ground the welds down so you can't really see them at all. Once they're painted, you shouldn't even be able to tell. I think they're stuck in there pretty good. They should hold for what they are. Gonna look pretty cool. So what you want to do is sand this shiny chrome off of there. Just rough it up so that the paint will stick. If you want to paint them, I'm going to paint them. But I don't want them chrome, I want them to be black. So I'm going to just take, I got some 120, a little beat up 120 sandpaper. I'm just going to take these, scuff them up a little bit. So I got 8 of these to sand down, guys. I'm not going to put you through the torture of watching me sand these 8. Tell you what, I got my lucky bottle cap. I'm going to flip this bottle cap, and if it lands on the Bud Light, then I'm going to have a beer. And if it lands on that side, I'm going to finish sanding these. Ready? I gotta finish sanding them. Well, let's try it again. Oh! I get to have a Bud Light. Let's do that. my welding glove on. She's cold, boys. Damn. Woo. Woo. Shit. It's cold. Woo. Damn. Shit's cold. Woo. Woo. Damn. Making my nose run. Woo. Alright, well, like I said, I'll stay in the rest of these after I drink this cold beer. I'm not going to put you through the misery and making you watch me sand all these damn things. And then we're going to paint them. Yep. Rust-Oleum self-etching primer. I'm gonna let that sit a minute. Finish up this cold beer while she tacks up a little bit. Whew. Damn, it's cool. Let her tack up. Probably put 2 coats of primer on that bad boy. And then hit her with the black Rust-Oleum. A little Rust-Oleum, semi-gloss. So here's the cabinet handles. They turned out pretty good. Here's a view of them. I'm pretty happy with it. They weren't too hard. Hardest part was drilling the holes. To be honest with you, them wrenches are pretty hard, so they drilled kind of hard. I had to slow the drill press down. Kind of nice though. Something to grab right a hold of. Open them up. And I put some black Loctite on them, the nuts that hold them on. I put some washers. You can see I got washers on there. And on the inside, lighting's not that great, but I just got regular nuts, but I put some red Loctite on there. These are the magnet enclosures that hold the doors closed. There it is. Bottom cabinet's done, bench is done. Still got to build the doors for the upper cabinets. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a simple little project building these handles for my shop cabinets. Check out my other videos where we built the bench and the top cabinets that we built. Pretty neat stuff. If you like this kind of stuff, think about subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of different stuff. We're coming into concrete season. If you're into that, we do tons of concrete work. We build basements out of insulated concrete forms, anything like that. Throw me a comment too. I don't get a lot of comments on my channel. I know YouTube likes that. Throw me a comment whether you like it or you don't like it. Either way, we'll get some dialogue going. Any questions you got me on any of my videos, throw me a question. I'd be glad to answer it. Thanks again, guys.